have these unfinished picture frames. They are 4 by 6 inches, and you can get them right at Michael's. The brand is Art Minds, and they were 99 cents each. And I'm going to start by painting all 3 of them a different color. This one is Wise Owl Higgins Lake. I'll paint one with the Wise Owl Dried Thyme, and then the third one will be with the Wise Owl Turmeric. And I gave them all a nice coat and allowed that to fully dry. Next, I have these flowers. You can find them by the scrapbook section in Michael's, and they have so many different ones to choose from, so you could pick anything that fits your style. And I'm just going to decorate the frame with some of these burlap flowers. I just kind of messed around until I was happy with the layout, and then I'm going to just attach that using some hot glue. Now, I always see these picture frames, and I just figured I'd give a few different ways that you can decorate them. This is a very easy DIY and a perfect Mother's Day gift or a gift to someone special. And Wise Owl has so many colors to pick from that you can also paint these any color of your choice as well. So then the second frame, I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm just going to decorate the bottom right corner with some of these flowers that I got. And then I found this mesh stencil from Michael's as well. It's the alphabet. Now with this, you have to cut out each letter, so it's a little tedious, but the end result is really nice. These mesh stencils work perfectly, especially with stenciling some small letters. You're not going to get as much bleed through. So I'm going to spell out the word blessed, and I'm just going to place it at the top. I like to sometimes start with the last letter of the word and then move toward the left. And just using a foam dabber, I'm just putting some Wise Owl Snow Owl on top of the stencil, and then you can lift it. And I just got a little on the outside of the stencil, so I'm just wiping that off with a baby wipe. And I went through each letter until I had the word blessed across the top of the frame. So now you could pick any word of your choice, and this is just a second easy way to decorate these, is putting a nice word stenciled on the top of the frame and decorating the bottom half with the burlap flowers. Now the third frame, I have these little paper butterflies. I'd gotten these from Hobby Lobby around Easter. I've seen similar at the Dollar Tree. And then I have these little wooden letters that I found at Michael's, and I'm going to spell out the word love. And there we go. Now we just have 3 very easy DIY picture frames that you can give to somebody special. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials while you're there as well. Have a great day.